like to explain how the authentication performed within the React components of the solution can be used to conditionally render information in a vanilla model. When an user signs up to the solution, it gets assigned a universal unique ID. This unique ID is used to take the authentication and conditionally render outside of React. How? By signing in, the user is taken directly to the home site or to the home model. Okay, so I will sign in with this account. This account has administrative privileges. Okay, so when I sign in, I go to the donation model. When the donation model is rendered, these two lines of code here are executed, and the user ID is stored on the local storage of the client. Okay, then when the user tries to go to the administrative model, when this link here is pressed, this code is run. Then this will take the local storage item named UID, and it will record it into inside a variable, and this variable will be compared using this logical operator. And if the comparison returns truth, it means that the user is the user with this user ID. Then this function called isAdmin is run, and the dashboard is rendered. I will show you. I will do this and the code will execute. You can see that the dashboard is rendered. This means that the user is admin. Else, if I go out and I sign in with another user which is not admin, and I try to go there, it will run the isNotAdmin function. It won't show any data, and it will tells me that I am not admin. Another interesting feature is how the substring method was used to parse the data into the value attribute of each of the radio buttons. The value attribute has two elements inside a string of text. The first is the price, as seen here, and the second is the amount of data of the component. Those values are taken inside of a variable using the substring method. The substring method takes the first 7 characters of the attribute and saves it into a variable, and the last and saves it into another, and then one can use those variables as wish.